Hi viewers, vaishipon here. In this tutorial I will show you how you can set up a limited company LTD for UK from your country. It's a very simple procedure. Just you have to open this website. Suppose you want to do business with Amazon Sellers Central UK. You have to open this address sellercentral.amazon.co.uk, and for this sign up first time you need LTD. I will show you the full procedure how you will sign up for LTD from this website gov.uk. Suppose you want to make a TikTok shop from UK. For UK, if I search on Google TikTok shop Seller Central, if I click here sellercenter.tiktok.com, if you want to make a shop for United Kingdom, you need this LTD. You need this information: mother's maiden name, father's first name, telephone number, national insurance number, passport number, and it will cost £12 and can be paid by debit card or credit card. Your company will register within 24 hours. Just you have to click here register now. Are you starting a new application? Yes. Continue. Check before you start. We are going to ask some questions. Your answers will show whether you can use this service to register a limited company and set up corporation tax. Take you to another service if you are not eligible to use this one. Continue to questions. We have to click here. Are you able to pay for this application using a card or PayPal? We only accept card or PayPal payments on this service. Yes, we can pay. Continue. Are any directors or persons with significant control on the company's house secure register? Here we will select no. Continue. You will now create a government gateway user ID for this company. Create government gateway user ID. You have to click here. Now you have to use your email address here. I am giving my email address. Suppose this one. Continue. Enter code to confirm your email address. Now you will get a code on your email, and here is the code. You have to copy the code and paste here. Submit. Email address confirmed. Continue. What is your full name? Suppose my name is vaishipon. Continue. Now you have to give a password here. I am giving a password here. Your password needs to be 10 or more characters for cyber security. Confirm your password. Retype your password here and click on continue. We have sent it to this email address. You will need your user ID and your password each time you sign in to. Never share your government gateway user ID or password with anyone else. Okay, continue. You need to set up additional security. Continue. How do you want to get access codes? Text message, voice call, or authentication app from mobile phone or tablet. You can choose any one. Google authentication code. Suppose I am selecting here text message and continue. Are you adding a UK mobile number? Yes. Continue. Enter a UK mobile phone number. Okay. And when you verify with your phone code, you will get this interface. You have set up additional security. Continue. Government gateway user ID. This could be up to 12 characters, and you will get it with your email. Your government gateway user ID. This is your government gateway user ID. Don't share this ID with others. Okay. You have to paste it here, and you have to give your password here. Sign in. Enter the code. We have sent 6-digit access code with this mobile number. Okay, I have confirmed with the code. Which email address do you want to use for this application? You have to choose your email address and click on continue. What is the relationship to the company? Company director. You have to select here company director. Save and continue. Will the company be a community interest company? No. You have to select here no and save and continue. Will the company be limited by shares or limited by guarantee? You have to select this option, limited by shares. Save and continue. Company name. What is the company name? You have to give your company name here. Suppose I am giving my name, and you have to select here LTD. Save and continue. What is the company's registered office address? You can collect UK address from online. Suppose you can use this website registeredaddress.co.uk. I have already collected the address. Here is the postcode, property name or number, optional, or you can enter your address manually. enter address manually. Property name or address, suppose like this way. Address, you have to give your address here, which you have collected from address site. Here is the address. Suppose you have to give here your city, town. This is optional. Postcode, you have to give here postcode, and you have to select here country, United Kingdom, and you will get a post box number. You have to give here post box number. Suppose this one is my post box number. Save and continue. What is the company registered office address? You can change it from here, but I think no need. Confirm and continue. Now you will get this interface. Where will the company be registered? You have to select this one, England and Wales. Save and continue. What is the company's principal place of business? Just I am select this one. You have to select your address. Save and continue. Give us one or more ways to contact this company, Manohar Shipon Company Limited. Contact number, you have to give a contact number here. Suppose I am giving my contact number here. You have to give your number. Save and continue. Is the new company replacing another business, buying another company, changing from sole trader or business partnership to a limited company? No. Save and continue. When will the company start trading? This is when the company starts buying or selling goods or services, even if it's not yet making a profit. On the same date it gets set up. Okay, save and continue. In its first 3 months, will the company do any of the following? Pay interest on any non-bank loans, make royalty payments, receive interest? No. Save and continue. What will the company be doing? Here you can write retail, and you can select this one, 47990, other retail sale, not in stores, stalls or markets. Okay, I am selecting this one. Save and continue. Now you will get this interface. Check and confirm what your company will be doing. Confirm and continue. Has anyone on this application ever sent a secure register from to ask company's house or protection? No. Save and continue. Now you have to give your details here, director's details. Suppose title Mr. Suppose first name Manohar and last name Shipon. Has the director used a different name for business purpose in the last 20 years? No. Nationality, you have to write here your nationality, where you born. Okay, I am writing here Bangladesh. Suppose Bangladeshi. Date of birth, you have to write your date of birth like this way. Job title, you are the director. You can select director here or company director. Save and continue. Now you will get this interface. What is the correspondence address for Manohar Shipon? I have to select my address. You will select your address. Save and continue. What is the home address for Manohar Shipon? All same. Save and continue. Does Manohar Shipon want to receive filling reminders by email? Yes. Save and continue. Which email address does Manohar Shipon want to use to receive filling reminders? You have to select your email address. Save and continue. Do you want to add another director? No. Save and continue. Now you will get this interface with your all details. Confirm where director lives. This address. Agree to become a director. Okay. Save and continue. You are about to set up online filling authorization for the company. Continue. Do you want the directors to be digitally authorized to file online for the company? Save and continue. Check the confirm authorization details for online filling. Save and continue. You are about to set up the company's shareholders. Save and continue. Is Manohar Shipon is a shareholder? Yes. Save and continue. Would you like to add another shareholder? No. Save and continue. And confirm. Do you want to use the most common types of shares? Yes. Save and continue. How many shares does Manohar Shipon own? Obviously one share. Save and continue. Just you have to do save and continue like this. It's very easy. Choose a value for each share. This one, you have to select this one. Save and continue. And here is the details. You have to confirm. You are about to set up the persons with significant control over the company. Okay, continue. From your previous answers, we know that Manohar Shipon is a person with significant control. Continue. Does Manohar Shipon have the right to appoint or remove the majority of the company directors? Yes. Save and continue. And check and confirm details of the persons in control of Manohar Shipon. You will see your name here or your company name here. Confirm and confirm. Save and continue. And now you will get this interface, model articles of association. You have to download this file. Do you want to use model articles? Yes. Save and continue. Do you agree to form the company? You have to download this file, memorandum of association. Confirm. Save and continue. Choose 3 pieces of personal information for, suppose mother's maiden name, 3 letters. You have to remember this: father's first name, and all should be correct. Passport number. You have to select 3 options. Save and continue. Check and confirm your answers. Now you can check your form and you can change from here any details. Confirm and continue. Page 2, you have to confirm. You have to select this option. I understand that this registration application can be changed after I proceed. Confirm and send application. Now you have to pay £12. You have to click here, make payment. If we reject your application, we will refund you. If somehow your application is rejected, you will get refund. Make payment. How do you want to pay? Credit or debit card or PayPal? Suppose I am selecting here credit or debit card. Continue to payment. And now you have to give payment with your Visa card or MasterCard. And when you make payment, within 3 days you will get all details with your email address. A very easy and simple procedure. You can purchase LTD from many websites, but they are charging $200, $300, but you can make it within 15 minutes, which you already know. Finally, if you like my tutorials, please subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you.